In front of me is IGET Smart L203, and let me show you how to change navigation bar on this device. So as you can see, currently we do use the button navigation, so we've got a back button, home button and the recent items button. If you would like to use gestures instead, just go to settings and in search area enter navigation. Go to system navigation, and here you can personalize the navigation bar. So you can use either gesture navigation, two buttons navigation, or three button navigation. But as you already know how button navigation works, let me show you gesture navigation. It can also be used here. So all you need to know is to slide up once to go back to your home screen, just like this. Then if you'd like to see recent items, just slide up and hold it for a while. And here we've got recent items. And then if you'd like to go back to previous screen, slide from left to right or from right to left, just to go back. And that's it. So this is how gesture navigation works, how you can apply it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.